Hello and welcome. Today we are going to speak about a herb, a very powerful herb indeed. A herb that has distinct advantages. It takes care of cough related problems. It ensures fertility. It ensures that there is normal delivery. It ensures that there is no abortions or miscarriages. It ensures that the sperm count of the male is high. It increases testosterone levels. It increases your libido, increases the sex drive. It is a herb that makes sure that the child that is newly born has excellent IQ. It also ensures that the immunity of the newborn baby is so high that the vaccination requirements are at its minimal. It also takes care of cough, and at the same time it is an excellent source of calcium. So that is this miracle herb which is called Vanshalochan. And this Vanshalochan, what is it? How does it come? Where is it found in nature? A little more about it in this video. Let's begin. Now this is a kind of big fat bamboos, okay? Now big fat bamboos are chopped down and they are allowed to dry. They are slit from the middle and there is a juice into it. Now this juice is also allowed to dry. Now when this juice dries out, it is removed out and further it is broken down into crystals or white stones. Now these crystals or white stones is called Baas ki Gond, which is also called Vanshalochan. It is available in the form of crystals. It is also available in the form of powder, and it is the best source of calcium. It is said that a pregnant woman, if she has just 1 gram of Vanshalochan into 1 glass of pomegranate juice during her pregnancy, then it will have 5 distinct advantages. 1. There will be normal delivery. Number 2, there will be painless delivery. Number 3, the IQ of the child will be extremely high. Number 4, the child's immunity will be very high. It will also make sure that the vaccination needs are low. And number 5, the possibilities of miscarriages will drastically reduce down. Now this Vanshalochan, when mixed with certain other herbs, becomes an excellent medicine itself. Now it is called Sitopeladi Churna. How does Sitopeladi Churna help you? Sitopeladi Churna is cooling. It reduces the effect of pitta in your body, which means it is ideal to have in the summers. It also ensures that certain enzyme activities into the body are enhanced. It destroys the kapha. It increases and activates your metabolic activity, because of which digestion becomes better, bowel movements become better. It can treat cold, cough and bronchitis, and it is also a calcium booster. So how is it that you can make this Sitopeladi Churna along with Vanshalochan? Here is the recipe. You may want to note it down. 1 gram of dalchini, which is cinnamon, and you have 2 grams of small elaichi, which is the small cardamom. 4 grams of pipali powder, which is the long pepper, 8 grams of Vanshalochan, and 16 grams of mishri, which is also called the Ayurvedic khadi shakkar. When all of this is put together in the powdered form, it is called Sitopeladi Churna. 2 grams of this Sitopeladi Churna, when added with 2 tablespoons of liquid jaggery or normal jaggery to form into a small ball or a laddu, it gives you tremendous benefits that I just listed. It is also excellent for people who have blood pressure related issues, and particularly the pipali is very good for the thyroid. This Sitopeladi Churna can be consumed by children as well as adults. However, it may be necessary to speak to your Ayurvedic or naturopathic doctor to ensure that you do not have any specific condition that contradicts the use of this Sitopeladi Churna in your body at that particular point in time. This Vanshalochan or Sitopaladi Churna can be also added to your salads, or you can mix it in your smoothies or juices the way you like it. However, remember, this is a medicinal herb, and any medicinal herb is not meant for a regular consumption on a daily basis. You may use it for about 15 days, and after 15 days it may be necessary to take a break, post which you can start again. It is excellent for energy levels, stamina, and a host of other benefits that I just listed before you. I hope this is helpful and you found this new powerful herb as interesting as I did. We will meet again with some more interesting information about health, nature cure, and natural lifestyle. If you're liking my content, please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment. I would love to hear from you. Till we meet again in another video, Namaste.